Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ishmeet Kaur. I am a dermatologist. I did my MBBS from Maulana Azad Medical College and then further pursued MD Dermatology from University College of Medical Sciences, that is UCMS. I passed out in 2017 and thereafter I worked at UCMS, ESI Basai Darapur. I worked at Kaya Clinic as well, and currently I am working as assistant professor in Hindu Rao Hospital and NDMC Medical College, Delhi. So those of you who want to pursue dermatology as their future course, or those of you who are confused and are yet to choose, let me tell you one thing, dermatology is an excellent and a very good branch to choose, which has a lot of future perspectives. Be it academics where you want to continue your research work and keep on doing studies and seeing interesting cases, or be it a cosmetology and an aesthetic world, which is a world of future prospects and newer technology like laser, fillers, botox and threads and so much more. So the branch of dermatology has a definite good learning curve, but once you get a grasp of it and you develop interest in dermatology, there's nothing like it. You become passionate and you enjoy your work as well. So coming to the topic of the hour, that is basic skincare. Now being a student, a medical student at that, you need to take care of skincare because we often neglect our body, our health, which definitely has an impact on our brain and the confidence level that we have when we are studying. So it takes only 5 to 7 minutes per day, but once you invest that little time into your skincare, it really pays you back. So when you are in your 20s or early 30s and studying all the time, you just need to invest 5 minutes where it starts from a basic skincare, that is cleanser. And before everything and before choosing the skin products that suit you, you need to understand your skin type, whether it is oily, whether it is dry, whether it is sensitive, or whether it is acne prone. Once you understand your skin type, it's a very easy path thereon. A cleanser for oily or an acne prone skin should contain glycolic acid or salicylic acid, which are nothing but hydroxy acids, and they help you mildly exfoliate your skin and give you oil control. This should be followed by a toner which is rich in tea tree or again salicylic acid. For a dry skin, use something which is moisturizing, hydrating, and should contain hyaluronic acid, which maintains hydration of your skin and doesn't keep your skin dry. For sensitive skin, use products which are non-fragrant, and again they should be rich in hydration and hyaluronic acid. Always do a patch test first before applying it completely on your face. After this basic skin routine that should be done morning as well as evening, that is cleanser, toning and a cream which should focus on the type of skin that is dry, oily or acne prone. At night time, I would recommend you choose a good night cream which is anti-aging and gives you youthful skin and delays further aging in the future years. Being a medical student, we often neglect our health, our body, our skin because we are so engrossed in our studies. So definitely studies is a priority, but invest these 5 to 7 minutes into your skincare and it will give you confidence and it will improve your self-esteem as well. Apart from the skincare, invest in your diet as well. Now during our studies, we often engross and we get tempted to eat junk food and everything, but I would request you to keep it to minimal. Eat a lot of dry fruits, eat a lot of citrus fruits, vitamin C rich fruits, green vegetables, because that is something which is going to help your brain become stronger. It will help you grasp your knowledge. It will keep your body active. Along with that, do exercise, take a walk during the evening whenever you don't feel like studying and you need a break. Take a good walk, exercise, go run, sweat yourself out and get rid of all those unnecessary toxins. Again, with the endorphins released during exercise, your mind will become active and it will grasp more knowledge, following which when you study. Now during preparation, we often study so many stuff on our laptops, on our phones. We see so many videos that help you study. But do remember that there is a blue light which is emitted from the screen of these laptops and mobile phones, which is as harmful as UV radiation. It can lead to tanning, it can tire up your eyes, and it can also lead to dark spots, acne, and early signs of aging. So for that, obviously I won't discourage you, I won't ask you to limit your time on the screen, but one thing you can do to prevent and minimize this damage is apply a good layer of sunscreen on your face, on your neck, when you're just about to spend some time on the screen. Apply this sunscreen on the face and neck at least half an hour before you are planning to spend time on the screen. And if you're planning to spend even more time, more than 3 hours, then reapply another layer of sunscreen every 3 hours. So that's the basic skincare that you should follow being a medical student and while you are studying. Study hard, and if you have any doubts on how to prepare for PG entrance, on how to choose your career path, I'm here to help you out. I'm here to guide you. You can ask me, you can contact me, reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I became a dermatologist. Why? Because I was really interested in skincare. And frankly, to tell you the truth, it's really gratifying when a patient comes to you who's really depressed, who's really embarrassed with the kind of skin they have on their face, and it affects their self-esteem. It definitely has a big psychological impact on their life. And once you improve that skin, once you treat them and the concern gets resolved, they become really happy. Their self-esteem improves, their confidence level becomes, it comes back, and they're again happy with their life, and they become more confident especially. So study hard, work hard, but do relax in between. Don't be too stressed out. Take care of your diet, take care of your skin, take care of your body, because these do have indirect impact on the kind of concentration you give to your studies, and the type of mind you develop later on. So do take care of all these health concerns as well. All the best. My best wishes to you for preparation. May all of you flourish in your life and get the career path you so desire. Take care.
Yeah.